Good morning, class. Standard 10, Physical Education, Section A, Chapter 3, Body Types. As we learned last year also, three type of body types. That is ectomorph, endomorph, and mesomorph. Three type of bodies and characters. Regarding that, I will give the questions and answers as well as your worksheet. They have to do properly and submit every day, whichever date you have been allotted. Day to day basis, you have to send to me your worksheet. Otherwise, you will be marked absent. It will be problem for you. Most of you not sending on at 5 or 6 PT students are sending to me. The rest of are sleeping. There is never bother about. So if you do neglect, very difficult for you to pass the examinations. Your attendance is requirement for your board exam. This also class attendance only. Regularly you have to send the lessons. If you not, you are going to suffer. Right? Now today chapter is 3, body types. First we will talk about endomorph bodies. The characteristics: short arms and legs, rounded physique, soft body, underdeveloped muscles, high fat storage capacity, training intense aerobic exercise as hypertrophy. The nutritional requirements for this purpose: heat, favor carbohydrate, high protein intake. These are the body having, they must have this type of food and exercise. For this, William Herbert Sheldon says, classified individuals on the basis of physical, mental and practical characters as endomorph, mesomorph, ectomorph. You are divided 3 parts. Now I will come to the ectomorph characteristics. Muscles and limbs are elongated, weak constitutions of body, flat chest and less muscle mass. Training bench press like a chicken chest. You have to lie down on a bench and bench press. We can do chest can expand. Use isolation movements to finish your workout. Nutritional requirements: intake of complex carbohydrates, protein intake. Now I will come to mesomorph characteristics: athletic physique, balanced body composition, developed rectangular shape of body, thick bones and muscles, training aerobic exercise, moderate to heavy weights. Nutritional requirements: equal amount of protein and fat intake, moderate amount and carbohydrate intake. These are 3 things you have to maintain your body and keep your body fit. Normally it's athletic sports persons. If you see the body, you can recognize, oh, you are a sports person. Body look, V-shaped body like a bodybuilder's, muscle strength, everything will indicating. Now I will give some questions, short answers questions. What are the traits of ectomorphs? The individuals who have an ectomorph body are usually referred referred to as slim persons because their muscles and limbs are elongated. They have weak constitution of body and usually face great difficulties in gaining weight. They have flat chest and have less muscles mass. The lack of muscles mass creates the impression that they are taller than they really are. They do not have a lot of strength, but they dominate the endurance sports because their body type is naturally suited to perform wonderfully in endurance activities. These are the endomorphs traits. Next, state the characteristics features of endomorphs. The endomorph individuals have short arms and legs. They have rounded physique. The limbs seem to be shorter because there is a lot of deposit of adipose tissues. That means fat, adipose tissue fat. The upper parts of the arm and legs are significantly thicker than the lower parts. It is hard for them to lose weight. They have soft body. They have underdeveloped muscles. They have the capacity of high fat storage and become fatty easily. If we eat more junk food, we will become a fat. Next question, what do you mean by mesomorph type body? The answer is mesomorph are found between the other two body types and are generally described as muscular. They have athletic physique and balanced body composition. They are all able to increase their muscles size quickly and easily. They have well developed rectangular shape of body. They have thick bones and muscles. Their chest and shoulders are largest and broader in comparison to other waistline. They are physically capable of doing lot of activities and tend to be athletically aggressive. Next question, state the characteristics of eating plants of mesomorph. The eating plan of mesomorph should be include equal amounts of protein and fat with the moderate amount of carbohydrate making up the rest. They should still focus on complex carbohydrate to help give body energy and keep full in a sustainable and healthy way. So this is characteristic of eating plan of mesomorphs. Now next question, explain the classification of individuals body type as given by William Herbert Sheldon. Answer is the classification of individuals by William Herbert Sheldon on the basis of physical, mental and practical characteristics is stated below. The first point, endomorph, such individuals have short arms and legs. They have rounded physique. The limbs seem to be shorter because there is arms and legs are significantly thicker than the lower parts. Mesomorph are found between the other two body types and generally described as a muscular. They have athletic physique and balanced body composition. They are able to increase their muscle size quickly and easily. They have well developed rectangular shape of body. Now I'll come to the third point, ectomorph. The individuals who have an ectomorph body are usually referred to as a slim persons because their muscles and limbs are elongated. They have weak constitution of body and usually face great difficulties in gaining weight. They have flat chest and have less muscles mass. That means a thin body, whatever they eat, it won't stay in their body. Like thin only they will. So likewise, if we eat body, you can find three type body: fat guys, one sports person body type, one is like potato type, say pumpkin type bodies. One is thin like a drumstick, lean and thin bodies. Whatever they eat, it won't there. So fat body means all junk food eating, chips, oily item, torchy food, sweet, ice cream. It will make them body fat. Athletic body always the muscles will build V shape, broad chest, muscle will be strong. They can be able to run on the track very speed. Likewise. Next, the question is on the basis of physical traits, how will you identify mesomorph from the endomorph or an endomorph? Ectomorph. This question is in your textbook. You can see that. What are the differences in the training requirement of mesomorphs and ectomorphs, which I read? You can find out these previous questions. How do the nutritional requirement of ectomorphs differ from those of ectomorphs? Other two types you can write in this. So every week one chapters I am giving. Finally altogether a revision format I will give, because of why I am giving this, to revise your chapters, because you have all forgotten, I think so. So you are not bothering about to reply to me, and worksheet also is not coming to me regularly. So I am keeping a record. Already I started with the recording. There are except 5. I will put a note. I will put a notice on your group who all are not submitted. It will go to office and they will call your parents who are not responding. Be alert, be careful. You have to be more visible, more serious. Don't take in easy manner. 10th standard you are going to write board exam. It's compulsory you have to write. Good morning class. Stay safe, stay home.